spin. Let's have a seat. Okay. So you guys had a good hour working on these questions. So let's take up some of them. Obviously, I don't have enough time to take up every single question, so I'm gonna pick and choose. So let's say number 1. Let's do 1D. Okay, negative 34 to the power of 0. What does this equal? William? 1. Right, anything to the power of 0 gives you 1. What about 1I? This one right here, 3 over 5 to the 4 divided by, oh, I don't even have negative exponents. Why is it not negative? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, do you remember exponent rule? When you divide, what do you do to the exponents? Minus it. So I have negative 2. I can simplify this to negative 3 over 5 to the exponent negative 2. Negative exponent. Does that change my answer positive, negative? No. What the Elisa, what does the negative exponent tell us again? Flip it, right. So Tayden, instead of negative 3 over 5, after I flip it, it becomes negative 5 over 3. Negative 5 over 3. Doesn't matter where that negative is, as long as there's just the 1. Okay, now I have exponent 2. Leandro, since you're facing the wrong way, thank you. What is negative 5 square? Negative 5 times negative 5? Positive or negative? Positive, right. And then 3 times 3? 9, and that's it. That's your answer. Okay. Question. Yes. Yeah, you could you could apply the exponent, and then actually divide it, but kind of defeats the purpose of the negative exponent, which is what we worked on yesterday. Alright, 2B. 2B. I have this thing. So, Gavin, I see brackets. So what should I do? I see brackets. So if it says simplify, it means expand it, right? That means I want to drop the brackets. Okay, because you were asking me at the beginning of class, when do I know to factor? When do I know to expand? So if you see brackets, it means you want to drop the brackets. Okay, by expanding. What does expand mean? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Gavin? Multiply, yeah. So expand means multiply. Same thing right here. I'm multiplying. Okay, Ion, you're gonna help me with this. 3m times 6m squared. And multiply. 18 what? M cubed, good. Okay, and then 3m times negative 5m. M times m is not cube, square, right. Okay, and then 3m times 4? 12m, good. Okay, what is the number outside right here? A 1, that's right. So I have to multiply everything by negative 1. Yeah, it is just the same. I just changed the sign basically. Okay. So, Gavin, what did the question ask again? Oh. Right, that's why it's called simplify. Okay, Rashawn, looking at this, what can I group together? What goes with the 18m cube? What goes with the 18m cube? What goes with it? Yeah. 4? Yeah, the negative 4m cube. Okay. What about the negative 15m squared? Leandro? Hold on.
Oh no, 8m squared.
8m squared, right. Okay. M squared, same type.
Oh. I got the next one. There is no next one.
Yes, there is no next one. Good. Okay, so now I can add and subtract these. 18m cubed minus 4m cubed. I'm left with 14m cubed. Negative 15m squared plus 8m squared. That is negative 7m squared. As Rashawn said, I can't do anything else with these, so what do? Yeah, just copy it straight down. It didn't disappear. And then that. All right, so Gavin, this is what it means by simplify. Good. All right. I can't group it anymore because exponents are different. And that's it. That's my final answer. 3C. All right, 3C. 6K plus 1, 6K minus 1. Okay. Again, I see brackets. So to get rid of the bracket, it means I'm expanding them out. All right. Rashawn, do you remember what this FOIL stand for?
I don't remember that.
Okay, you do. You know how to do it? Okay, let's hear it.
And then do the bottom.
Yep. Okay, so what is 6K times 6K?
6K times 6K. 36K.
36.
K squared.
K squared. Good. 6K times negative 1?
6, negative 6.
K. Okay, and then 1 times 6K?
6K.
Good, plus the K. And then 1 times negative 1?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Good. Okay. Let's see. Caden, yeah, since you're facing the wrong way. Am I done this question? No, why not? Yes. Okay, what happens to them? They cancel. So what's my final answer here? That's it. All right. So then, what do we call this type of factoring? What do we call this type of factors?
I think I know.
Yeah.
What is it called? FOIL?
That's a method. Anyone remember the name? Yeah. All right. A special type of binomial when we multiply this binomial with this binomial. Difference. Yeah. Ethan. Okay. Again.
Difference of squares.
Difference of squares. Okay. So this is a special type of binomial. Difference of square. Okay. 5D. 16x squared plus 8x minus 6x minus 3. William, can you help us with this one? Okay, so how many terms do you see? 4. So whenever we see 4 terms, what comes to mind? Group factoring.
Group it.
Yep, so we're going to split these two with these two. What can I take out of the first 2 terms?
8x.
Yeah, good. 8x. I can take an 8x out of here, 8x out of here. Okay, so what's left? Not square. 2x. Good. Okay, what about these 2 terms now? What can I take out of these 2? Okay. The trick is if this is minus, you want to take a negative 3 out. So negative 3. So when you divide it, what do you get? You get the 2x plus 1. Otherwise, your sign is not going to match up.
Wait, 2x?
Yep. So then what would your 2 brackets be? Let's say, Adam, did you get this one? No. Okay. Ethan? Right. Okay. Yeah, so this is a special type of factoring called group factoring, and we know to do group factoring when we see 4 terms. Okay, so when there's 4 terms, we do the first 2 together, last 2 together, and then put it like that. Okay. Next. Da, 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 da. This one. Okay, so let's do this word problem. We haven't done much word problems. All right. On the test, these are the type of word problems you'll see. It's not very creative. It's just given the dimension, find the area. Given the area, find the dimensions. So if I give you the dimensions, it means you're expanding. If I give you the area, that means you're factoring. Right? Simple as that. So find an algebraic expression for the surface area of the square base pyramid. Okay, so how do I what's surface area again? Yep.
The total area of all the sides of the shape.
Good. Okay, how many sides do you see here? 6 sides. So you could do it the formula way, or you can just think logical way. So the top part right here is going to be a 3x plus 4 times another 3x plus 4. All right, that's the top. The front side right here, it has the dimension x times 3x plus 4. And then the side right here, this side right here, this also has x times 3x plus 4. Okay, so when I write it out, my expression looks something like this. It looks ugly. Okay, something like this. But as William just said, how many sides are there? There are 6, but I only have 3 right now. Okay, but in a rectangular prism, all the sides are double. So I could, like this, and multiply everything by 2 in the front. Okay. On the test, I won't ask you guys something as long because for something so long, you're gonna make careless mistakes. So I'll probably just ask you for like area or something. Okay, but I just wanted to set us up. Let's see. There was one that you guys were asking. Oh, right. Sorry. Let me go back to 3F. This one was what you guys were asking. 2 x minus 4 x minus 7. I'm just doing part of the question. Okay. Some people were asking about this. What I normally do is I would multiply, do the FOIL first, and then times everything by 2. Alright, so let's see, who should I ask? Elisa. Okay, help me with this. X times x. X squared, good. X times negative 7. Good. Negative 4 times x. And then negative 4 times negative 7. Leandro, I'm going to ask you next. Negative and a negative is positive, so positive 28. Alright. So Leandro, what can I simplify in here?
Negative 7x minus 4.
Which is?
11x.
Good. Negative 11x. Okay. Now what do I do with this 2?
Times and FOIL.
Times. Right. You don't do FOIL because there's only one term outside, so you just times it in. Times everything by 2. Good.
22, negative 22x.
Yep.
And then you lost 56.
Right. All right. Missing something. Plus sign. Right. If it's positive, then you have the plus sign. All right. Good. Okay. Um. Okay, two more. Actually, here, let's just go straight to this one right here. The other word problem. So as I was saying, I would I will give you the area and ask you guys to find the dimension, or I give you the dimension and ask you guys to find the area. So this time I give you the area. So x squared plus 13x minus 30. Uh, okay, Rashawn, what times what gives me x squared?
X.
Yep, x times x. Okay, Leandro, what times what gives me negative 30? Negative 15 and okay, negative 15 and 2. When I cross multiply, do I get positive 13x? No. So, Gavin. Okay, so Gavin, instead of negative 15 and 2, what should it be? Negative 2 and 15. So if we switch the sign, now do we get positive 13? Yes. So, so this is my first bracket. This is my second bracket. So, Tayden, what are my two brackets?
Brackets are
Yep, that's it. Does it matter which one is my length, which one is my width? No. So this is my length, this is my width then. Okay. Uh, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys finish the rest for homework. Answers are given on page 27. And then tomorrow we'll do a Jeopardy as the review. And then you guys should be all ready for the test on Thursday. All good? All good.